just one note, you can actually switch up your pentatonic to sound like something very amazing, and that's what you just heard me play. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to play it. So all I want you to do is to stay to the end of this video, of course, and subscribe if you haven't. All right, so let's dive right into the video. Now your pentatonic is from here using this pattern: 1 4 1 3 1 3. Right? So what you would do is when you get to your 5th string when playing the pentatonic, when you play 1 4, instead of playing 1 3, play 1 2 3. So we have 1 4 1 da, da. So the note sounds like la do re mo mi. All right, so let's go down now. La do re mo mi so la do. Then you notice that it repeats itself again. Da, 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 da. So this is what I want you to do when you get to this point. So we have 1 4 1 2 3. Then you have 1 3. Then 1 2 4. Then 1 4 1 4. Just use this formula and you're gonna get exactly this sound, right? So 1 4. Then the next string 5. 1 2 3. String 4. 1 3. String 3. 1 3 4. Then string 2. Then 1 4. Then 1 4. So altogether we have. This whole scale you just heard is called the blues scale, and it's a scale that you play to spice up your pentatonic scale. So you can use it for soloing and even just improvising. So one of the ways I usually practice this, and I advise you to practice it, is just to jam with a sense of rhythm. I'm jamming and I'm thinking of a drum. I'm playing it as if there's a drum accompanying me in the background. So let me imagine there's drum playing in my mind. So what you can do to add more dynamics and beauty in your sound is to palm mute. So what I'm doing is placing my right palm on the strings, right? And then I'm muting the strings. So instead of allowing the note to ring, I'm placing my palm. So I have something like. So did you hear that? Da, 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 da. Now that is our note. Da, that's your blues note. Da, 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 da. So you can use it to create your licks. Yeah. So you can also extend it to this other part of the fretboard, but that's not the essence of this video. I have another video where I showed how to play the extended pentatonic, meaning we're not just limited to just one position, but we're also sliding it across. Ha! This is just so lovely. If you don't even know how to play the pentatonic scale and you're amazed what I'm doing, this whole thing I just played is knowledge that is available in my intermediate guitar course, and I don't want you to miss that at all. If you want to learn how to solo with your pentatonic scales, how to solo with your major scales, how to solo with your triad, I've created all of those in my intermediate guitar course, so ensure you purchase it. Is very affordable in the link below. And if you also want to learn guitar from scratch, I have created a course for beginners, like absolute beginners. If you know nothing at all, you are a novice, but you want to learn the theory aspect and then the practical from scratch, to ensure you check it out in the links below. So if you found this video helpful, the subscribe button is waiting for you to click it. So can you just go ahead and click that subscribe button and the notifications so that you get updates when next I put up a video. Okay, cheers and see you in the next video. Bye.